Hello and welcome back to Life with Tontemon. If you are new to my channel, then I am Pallabi and I make videos on art and crafts and painting and occasionally on live talks. Today I will show you how to make origami box and DIY an organizer with a piece of scrap cardboard. The word origami is originated from two Japanese words. The first word is ori, which means folding, and the other word is kami, which means paper. Hence, origami is an art of paper folding and is often associated with Japanese culture. To make the origami box, we need an A4 size origami paper. We need a square sheet of paper to make the box. As the A4 size paper was in rectangular shape, I folded it diagonally and removed the excess part to give it a square shape. I am not mentioning any measurement of the square sheet here, as it is entirely a personal choice. Just make sure you are using a square paper. The bigger the size of the paper, the bigger will be the box. I'll show you the foldings twice so that you can understand it properly. I have used a scrap sheet of cardboard for the base and the sides of the organizer. I have used acrylic color for painting the pieces of cardboard. Now I'll use super joiner glue of dendrite to make the organizer. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If yes, then please give a thumbs up and share it with others. Consider subscribing to my channel if you found the contents interesting and fun watching. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon with all notification option so that you don't miss any video of mine. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, happy crafting. Cheerio.